I found 3 more AI builders hiding in plain sight, and none of them just build you a website. First, 10Web. Most AI builders take one prompt and go. This one stops and actually interviews you. What's the vibe? Minimalist or bold? Are you selling something or just showcasing it? Will people pay online or are you just informing them? Like a real designer sitting across the table before it touches a single pixel. It runs on WordPress under the hood, which means real plugins and real hosting, not some closed sandbox you can never leave. And it's not a small experiment. Over 2 million websites have already been built this way. Second, durable. The claim, right on the homepage, is 30 seconds from prompt to live site. And honestly, it's not exaggerating by much. But here's the part most people miss. It doesn't stop at the website. That same one prompt also sets up a CRM to track your customers, invoicing so you can actually get paid, and a basic ad campaign to bring people in. 3 million business owners are already using it, 4.8 stars on Trustpilot. You're not getting a page. You're getting the beginning of an actual back office. Third, and this is the one that genuinely surprised me, Designs.ai. One brief, and it doesn't hand you a logo. It hands you an entire brand kit. A full logo system with every variant, a matching color palette, typography choices, packaging mockups you could hand straight to a printer, even campaign messaging copy written in the brand's own voice. All matching, all generated at once, and you don't need an account to watch it happen in front of you. It's less like using an AI tool and more like having a small creative agency on call. 3 tools, 3 completely different ideas of what an AI website builder is even supposed to mean. Links to try all 3 yourself are in the description. New build every week, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.